Thailand Immigration has launched a new mobile platform called THIM. No, not that Tim. THIM. There's a lot of incomplete and confusing information out there about what THIM actually does and what it means for anyone entering Thailand. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what THIM is, how it relates to the existing TDAC requirement, how to use it, whether it's ready for prime time, and why expats living in Thailand might want to hold off using it for a little while. THIM stands for Thailand Immigration Management System. It's a free mobile application for iOS and Android developed by Thailand's Immigration Bureau in partnership with a private technology firm called Digital Identity Company and Amazon Web Services. The Immigration Bureau envisions the long-term goal for THIM as being a single platform for all immigration-related services for foreigners in Thailand, covering arrival registration, visa extensions, and even 90-day address reporting. What THIM does today, in its current pilot phase, is simple. It allows you to submit your arrival information digitally from an app on your phone before you arrive in Thailand, streamlining the incoming immigration process. But wait, isn't that what the TDAC does? This is the point that causes the most confusion, so let's look more closely. The TDAC, the Thailand Digital Arrival Card, is the mandatory digital form that replaced the old paper TM6 card. Every foreign national entering Thailand is required to complete a TDAC before arrival. That requirement hasn't changed. THIM is the mobile platform through which you can file your TDAC. It is not an additional form, and you do not complete two separate submissions. For now, think of it this way. You can simply choose between two methods of filing your TDAC. One, through the existing web portal, or two, through the THIM app on your phone. So, let's look at how you use THIM. Start by downloading the app. You can search for THIM on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure the official publisher is listed as Royal Thai Police and that the app is completely free. There are third-party apps with similar names, so beware. Some either charge fees for a process that costs nothing, or do nothing but collect your personal data. Follow these links to get the Apple and Android official versions. The next step is to create your profile. The first time you use THIM, you will be asked to scan your passport. The app uses optical character recognition to read your passport data automatically, so you don't have to enter it by hand. If your phone supports NFC and your passport has a biometric chip, the app can also read the chip, though at the moment this appears to be optional rather than mandatory. Once you've scanned your passport, you'll need to verify your identity with eKYC. No, they don't ask Colonel Sanders if it's really you. It's eKYC, not EKFC. eKYC stands for Electronic Know Your Customer. This is the biometric verification step that confirms your identity by matching a selfie you take on the app to your passport data. You've probably done something similar for bank identification, or if you've ever done an ETA or ESTA for immigration in other countries. You'll take a selfie in the app, and the app will do a comparison between your live image and your passport photo to confirm you are indeed the person holding the document. Once you are verified, your passport information and biometric verification are permanently stored in your profile on the app. You'll not be asked to do all this again, though you have to do it all over if you start traveling on a new passport. Pro tip! Do your eKYC at home on a stable Wi-Fi connection and leave plenty of time before your departure date. Don't try to do it at the airport. The eKYC process is kind of touchy. About 3 days before you leave for your trip, you go back to the app and enter your trip details. You'll enter your flight number, arrival date, and you'll tell them the first place you'll be staying in Thailand and its phone number. You can enter the data at any time, but if you try to click submit too early, the app will save your trip information and remind you to come back to do the final submission later. The form can be submitted at most 72 hours before your scheduled Thailand arrival. When you use the online TDAC, you get a QR code to show immigration and an email confirming your entry details. But after years of practicing juggling papers and forms on entry, with THIM, all you need is your passport. There's no QR code or printout to show. Walk to the immigration counter, the officer scans your physical passport, your pre-submitted arrival data appears on the computer screen automatically. Now, let me answer some frequently asked questions. THIM is an official government application published under the auspices of the Royal Thai Police. It was developed under the direct authority of Thailand's Immigration Bureau, though the technical side was contracted to private sector partners, which is a standard practice for government digital infrastructure globally. Since there are private sector partners, you're right to be concerned about where your data is stored and whether it's secure. The THIM database runs on local Amazon Web Services servers. Your personal data is stored on servers physically located inside Thailand, and it's protected under the very strict Thai privacy law. It doesn't get sent overseas. Plus, data transmission is protected with end-to-end encryption, and the architecture meets international standards for government data handling. You don't have to use the THIM yet. If you can't get it to work, just go back and use the original online TDAC. The full mandatory rollout of THIM is scheduled for October 1st, 2026, but that timeline is subject to change. When you use THIM, you don't get a QR code or email. This is an important difference. THIM syncs your data directly with the Immigration Bureau's system. The officer retrieves your arrival information when he scans your physical passport. Not getting the confirmation email can be a bit of a problem for expats living in Thailand. When using the standard TDAC Web Portal, you receive an email confirmation that serves as the equivalent of the old TM6 form. Immigration officers currently ask for this email as proof of entry when processing residence certificates and other immigration procedures. Whether THIM will generate an equivalent confirmation document in the future has not been officially clarified, and until there's a clear answer on this, long-term residents and expats should probably continue to use the TDAC Web Portal for entering Thailand, and remember to save that TDAC email. If you do the THIM and have some new information on this, let us all know in the comments. As of early June 2026, THIM is still in the pilot phase. Many users report problems making it work. The official full launch isn't scheduled until August of 2026. For anyone traveling to Thailand in the near term, the TDAC Web Portal remains the most reliable option. Expats like me can look forward to Phase 2, expected after October 2026. In that phase, immigration is planning to include online 90-day address reporting, visa extension applications, immigration office appointment booking, and even access to a 24/7 tourist police hotline. You can be notified when Let's Live in Thailand covers that rollout in detail when it happens. Just like, subscribe, and ring that bell. So there you are. THIM is a legitimate, officially sanctioned platform with a well-designed architecture and an ambitious long-term purpose. It's currently in the pilot phase. It's possible you won't find it functioning reliably enough to depend on it for upcoming travel, especially for long-term residents and expats who might need entry confirmation for things like 90-day reports and residence permits. My recommendation, file your TDAC through the web portal for now, but download the app to familiarize yourself with it. If you have specific questions about THIM or any other aspect of Thailand immigration, leave them in the comments below and I'll get back to you. My name is Yai. I've lived in Thailand for 37 years and I love it. I hope you will too. Sawadee krap.